What the fuck going on, y'all? It's Cr1b Collect1ve, whole bunch of gang activity. Like I said, you know what the fuck going on. Let's get it. Burning flowers in my garden, the hardest artists are starting to act as if they're retarded. Actually, are just attributes adding on to my arson. Asking me the fuck happened to Avalon and King Arthur. An avalanche just for starters, were fought by swordmen and archers. Corpses distorted harder to look and know when your partners is them. Shit is dark and it's grim. It's the world that we live in. It's the good, it's the bad. Is it cool, is it different? But I shouldn't be mad, and I shouldn't be distant to this bitch kissing ass. A new addition to wisdom, it's just a gift that I'm giving them. Spinning venom, the minimum punishment will be hitting them. Do it again and again. With this pen I will vent. Send 10 of your men, knock them out like Benadryl did. Yeah. Cause listen up, cause the flow bout sick as fuck. I got the devil in my diamonds, but I'm dying, so wish me luck. I'm applying skill, Brian Kill, foil with the iron steel. I will never fall, live a life of black and white, like a silent film, epilogue, headers off like a go getter with a better cause. Settled out without you, in real life I'm just better off. Better me instead of y'all, enemies could end it all, so keep it on the low ski. Everyone that knows me knows that I'm the man that set it off the bat like it was COVID. I'm back, I'm a rapping homie. Let's get it, baby.
Yo, it's Mel, M3L if you can't spell, you feel me? Yeah. It's about to be a royal flush, and I'm not talking poker. The dark night is rising here, and you are just a joker, a poser, trying to get yourself posted on posters. You need to wake up from your dream and grab a couple photos. I'ma tell you about my crew, we a bunch of soldiers. We march upon the track, stomp it out, and then it's over. We stomping, smashing, destroying ciphers thoroughly. Your girl heard my lyrics, now she wants me more than jewelry. Oh my god, wow, this is some foolery. You could try to bathe in ice, but we still know who's cool to be. And with all of this skill, why would you even bother? You can look at my skywalking, but I'm not your father. I'm just a fiscal fisherman buying shit that is glistening. I'm trying to teach you something, sonny, you should know to listen in. My haters call me Norbit, and I'm like, oh, not this again. Nigga got braids now. But it's cool, it's fine, cause I show them rhythmic etiquette. The way I stand out on the track, I'm like an Arctic elephant. And your girl mad at me cause up to 20 I was celibate. And when she want them Trojan mags, she always knew Jamela fit. You call that a threat? Little nigga, you are irrelevant. I fear no man, but these hands could bring them tears. She cheers when I dance, but no chance. I make it clear, it's weird. With no beard and a smile, I bring them fear. Bitch rears up and lies, you close eyes, then she comes here, I stare. The bust of life, I bust the mic. My bitch French mustard type. Don't rush the fight. I'm not a snitch, I'm your executioner, jury, and nigga, I'm your fucking judge tonight. And no, that's not in order. I'm fucking on your daughter. She's a bitch on me. Hey, let her flagrant manslaughter. We making music with my homies in the crib now. And excuse me, but my homies in the ribs now. Yeah, smell.
Listen, yo. It's your favorite fucking city slick. Back to drink another fifth and kick it with a freaky chick. Catch me in the bathroom trying to teach her how to drive a stick. Skinnies to my knees and shit. Mouth all full of cotton, it's a problem, isn't life a bitch? Never had a problem telling niggas who they fucking with. Nice until the knuckles hit. Bloody in the parking lot as niggas pick them up and shit. Everybody gang until they jaws start hanging and they niggas got to load the clips. Never had a love for the guns. I never been that nigga flexing all his Lincolns and ones. That's never been fun. I've been on the run, that shit ain't easy. Head on the swivel, keeping me feeling queasy. But Lady Luck stay on my side, she got me pitching the tent. Trying to push in different directions, dropping obvious hints. Checking off my bucket list, I'm talking time well spent. Got a nigga moving in silence like he late on the rent. I guess I'm so hell-bent, I need that validation. Mama, I've been waiting, I know you love me, but can I get some recognition? Everybody hating instead of being patient. They want that presentation, but where's my motivation? It might be time to move on to a new dawn. Put a suit on and shoes on, clip some coupons, up some coupons, see what my crew on. Maybe find a biddy with titties who tell me I never do on. Nigga, who you trying to be? This just a different side of me. Never been a rapper, but my shit be sounding fine to me. Rockstar life be having these bitches feel fine to me. It's just a misdirection till I'm back to work at album 3.
Yo, I know my nigga Teray in the crowd. Bring your ass up here, boy. Bring your ass up here.
If I impose a little bit, I'm sorry. You don't wanna fuck with me or my crew, cause you know how we do. I said, if I impose a little bit, I'm sorry. You don't wanna fuck with me or my crew, cause you know how we do. We do. Yo, let's fucking, you know how.
Let me tell y'all something, yo, it's Cr1b Collect1ve, man. It's a collection of niggas. We showed up in the crib, we started making music. That's just what it is. I'm telling y'all facts. Y'all know what it is, man. A whole lot of gang festivity. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Check us out on fucking SoundCloud, you know what I'm saying? Cr1b Collect1ve. Use ones for the eyes, and you're not gonna find us. You feel me?
I told you it was a whole bunch of gang activity, man.
Zippers down.